Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Round 2. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.3. Here we discuss about the degrees of expression. Let us get into the session.
In exercise 3.3, first question, fill in the blanks. The degree of the term a cube b squared c power 4 d squared is dash. Listen, this is the one term. So, add the powers means we get 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So, the degree of the term is 11. Next one, degree of constant term is, what's that? 0. Any one constant term, 3x plus 2 means its degree is 0. Okay. So, next, the coefficient of leading term of the expression 3z squared y plus 2x minus 3 is dash. Leading term, coefficient of leading terms. Leading terms means, which one is the leading term here? 3z squared y. So, its coefficient. Coefficient means whatever the variable is there in front of the number, that is coefficient. Coefficient of z square y is 3. That is the answer. Next one, say true or false. Listen, the degree of m squared n and mn squared are equal. Right? 2 plus 1, 3. Here also 1 plus 2, 3. So, it is true. Next, 7a squared b and minus 7ab squared are like terms. Is it like terms? A squared b here, but here a b squared. Here also a squared b means that only like terms, but here different variables. So, that is false. Next, degree of the expression. Listen, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Minus 4 is the coefficient. So, degree of the term is degree expression is 4 only, but here they given the coefficient, so that is also false. Any integer can be degree of the expression. The expression, degree of the expression means that is any integers. 1, 2, 3 integers means positive or negative numbers is there. So, that is true. That's answer. Third sum, find the degree of the following terms. Listen, 5x squared, there is only one terms. So, its power is the degree of expressions. Listen, the power, here the power is which one? 2. Therefore, the degree of expression is 2. Next one. Next one, minus 7ab. Listen, here the power is, sum of the power, listen, here 1, here 1. So, 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore, the degree of expression is 2. Next one, 12 pq square r square. Listen, the power. Power means add this powers, 1 plus 2 plus 2. Here 1 is there, so 5. Therefore, the degree of expression is 5. Next one, minus 125. Listen, minus 125 is the number, constant term. There is no x, y or variables are there. So, there is no variables means that is not a expression. Expression means what? The combination of variable and the constant term, but here constant term only. The otherwise it is the degree of expression they ask. Okay, expression, there is no expression, so degree of expression is 0. Okay, degree of expression is 0. Next, 3 is that, here only 1. So, power is equal to 1. Therefore, the degree of expression is 1. That is the answer. Fourth sum, find the degree of the following expressions. Listen, first question, x power 3 minus 1. Listen, here two terms. One is x term, x cube terms and constant term. The degrees of are, listen, one term is 3 and another term is 0. So, constant term, the degree of constant term is 0. Therefore, the highest power is the degree of the expression. Therefore, degree of expression is 3. Next one, 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. Listen, degrees of the terms are, first term 2, and second terms 1 and third term 0. So, which one is the highest power? That is the degree of expression. So, 2 is the degree of expression. Next one, degrees of terms. Listen, first term 4, second term here 1, here 2. So, 1 plus 2, 3. Next one, here 2, 2. So, 2 plus 2, 4. So, which one is the highest power? 4 is the highest power. So, that is the degree of expression. Next one, degrees of terms, each terms. Listen, here constant term, so 0 is the power. Next 9y, here only 1 and here 2, then 3. So, which one is the degree of expression? That is 3 is the highest value. So, that is the degrees of expression. Next one, degree of terms. Here how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms. So, first term 5 is the degree, second term here 4, here 1. So, that is 5. Next term 3 plus 2, 5 and fourth term 2 plus 3, 5. So, fifth term also 5. So, degree of expression is 5. That is the answer. Fifth one, identify the like terms. Listen, they given the terms. In that, what is like terms? The terms contains same variables, that is called like terms. Listen, same variable with the same power also. So here 12x cube y squared z comma minus y cube x squared z, 4z cube y squared x, x cube 6x cube z squared y minus 5y cube x squared z. Listen, y cube x squared z. Listen, y cube x squared z. This two only has same variable with the same power. Listen, y cube, here also y cube, x squared z z. Otherwise there is no, here also x cube, here also x cube, but y square here, but here y only, and z here and z square, so different. So this term only, these two terms only same variables. Therefore answer minus y cube x squared z and minus 5y cube x squared z are the like terms. That is the answer. Sixth sum, add and find the degrees of the following expressions. Listen, first one 9x plus 3y and 10x minus 9y. We can add the same like terms only. That means the variables same, then only we have to add that. Listen, 9x plus 3y, we have to add this number. So put the add symbol, addition symbol, and which one? Plus 10x minus 9y. Now we have to remove the bracket, means we get 9x plus 3y plus 10x plus into minus 9y. Now listen, add the like terms. 9 plus 10, 19x plus here plus 3y minus 9y plus 3y minus 9y. Listen, 19x we get, and here plus minus different sign. So we have to subtract these two numbers. 3 minus 9 we get minus 6. Which term? Y term. Okay, so 19x minus 6y is the answer. And then what they ask? Find the degree of the following expression. The degree of expression is, what is that? 1 only. In this term 1, here also 1. So 1. That is the answer. Second one, k square minus 25k plus 46. Here 23 minus 2k square plus 21k. Listen, we have to add this two expressions, k squared minus 25k plus 46 plus, listen, order this expression, means k square is the first term, so minus 2k squared and 21k plus 23. Listen here, remove the bracket, k square minus 25k plus 46, here plus into minus, minus 2k squared plus into plus 21k plus into plus 23. Now assemble the variables which same variables, k squared minus 2k squared and then k terms minus 25k, here plus 21k, and constant term 46 plus 23. Listen, now add the k square terms and k terms and constant term. Listen, 1k square minus 2k square, plus and minus, different sign means we have to subtract the numbers. So plus 1 minus 2, what's the value? Minus 1. Minus 1, which term is this? K square term. And then here minus 25k plus 21k, different sign. So 25, 21, what is the difference? 4. Which one is the greater number? 25. The sum sign is minus. Minus k term is this. So put k. And constant term, both are in positive sign. So add this means we get 69. Now what is the answer? Degree of expression. In that, what is the degree? Here 2, here 1, here 0. So which one is the highest? 2. So that is the degree of expression. Third sum, 3m square n plus 4p q squared and 5n m squared minus 2q squared p. Listen here, 3m squared n plus 4pq squared plus, listen here, m squared n or nm squared. The power is in m only. So that is the concept. Here we can change the variable. So 5m squared n. Listen here, same variable. So minus 2p q squared. 2p only here, q squared. So we can change that. Next, remove the bracket, 3m squared n plus 4pq squared. Write down as it is, because in front of the bracket nothing is there. And here plus is there, so plus is multiplied with inside the bracket. So plus into plus plus 5m squared n, and here plus into minus minus 2pq squared. Now assemble the like terms, 3m squared n and 5m squared n plus 4pq squared and minus pq squared minus 2pq squared. Next, now add this two like terms and here also like terms. Both are in positive sign. Add this means we get 8. Which term? m squared n. And here plus minus, different sign. What is the difference? 4, 2. Difference is 2. Which one is greater? 4. The sign is plus. So what is the term? pq square term. Now we want to find out the degree of expression. Degree of expression is here 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3, and here also 1 plus 2, 3. So degree is, highest power is 3 only. That is the answer. Seventh sum, simplify and find the degree of the following expression. Listen, 10x squared minus 3xy plus 9y squared minus into 3x squared minus 6xy minus 3y squared. Listen, we want to multiply the sign with inside the bracket. So otherwise write down as it is, 10x squared minus 3xy plus 9y squared, here minus into 3x squared is in plus sign inside the bracket. So plus in minus into plus minus 3x squared, and then next term minus into minus plus 6xy. Next term minus into minus plus 3y squared. Now assemble the like terms. Here x squared, here also x squared. So write down, and then xy terms minus 3xy, and one more x squared xy term is plus 6y, and plus 9y squared plus 3y squared. Now we want to solve x squared terms, xy terms, and 9y squared terms, right? Next step, plus 10 minus 3 in x terms, x square terms, plus 10 minus 3, different sign. So what is the difference here? 10, 3, 7 is the difference. Which term? X squared term. And here minus plus, different sign, minus 3 plus 6. Minus plus different sign means what is the difference? 3, 6. 3 is the difference. Which term? xy term. Listen, which one is greater here? 6 is the greater, so that sign is plus. We put plus only here. Next one, plus plus, same sign. We have to add the numbers, means 3, 9 plus 3, 12, plus 12 y squared terms. So listen, 7x squared plus 3xy plus 12y squared. Now what is the degree of the expression? That also we want to find out, degree of expression. Listen the three terms. X squared, here the degree is 2, here xy, here 1, so here also 2, here also 2. So highest power is 2 only, so degree of expression is 2. That is the answer. Listen the second one, there is no bracket, so we assemble the like terms and simplify that. Listen, 9a power 4, a power 4 minus 6a power 4 is there. So a power 4, write down. Next, minus 6a power 3. There is any other a power 3 here, so plus 7a power 3. And next variable, minus 6a power 4. And last one, a power 4, already we wrote that. Next term, a square terms, so minus 3a squared plus 5a squared. Next step, we assembled the like terms, and now the solution. First solve a power 4 terms and a power 3 terms and a square terms. Listen, a power 4 plus 9 minus 6, different sign. So what is the difference? Plus 9 and minus 6, 3 is the difference. A power 4. Here which one is greater? 9 is the greater, that sign is plus, so no need to put down. And next one, a 3 terms, a power 3 terms, minus 6 plus 7, different sign. What is the difference? 1. Which term? A power 3 term. Which one is greater number? 7, that sign is plus. And here a square terms, minus plus, different sign, so we have to subtract that. What is the difference? 3 and 5, 2 is the difference. Which term? A square term. Which one is greater here? Plus 5, So that sign is we have to put here. Now we want to find out the degree of expression. Listen the powers 4, 3, 2. Which one is the highest one? 4. So that is the degree of expression. That is the answer. Next one. Third one, 4x squared minus 3x. There is no bracket, so write down as it is 4x squared minus 3x. Here minus 8x and minus inside the bracket also. So first write down 8x as it is. Now solve this bracket. Inside the bracket we have no. So solve this bracket first. So minus into plus minus 5x squared minus into minus plus 8. Now next step, 4x squared minus 3x. We have to solve this bracket now. So minus into plus minus 8x minus into minus plus 5x squared minus into plus minus 8. Now assemble the like terms. 4x squared plus 5x squared minus 3x minus 8x and constant term is the minus 8. Now solve the like terms here. Plus 4 plus 5. Same sign, both are in same sign. So we have to add this number, means 4 plus 5, 9. Which term is this? X squared term. And here minus 3 minus 8. Same sign, we have to add this and put the same sign. So minus is there and add this numbers, means we get 11x minus 8. Now the degree of expression. Degree of expression, here 2, power is 2, here 1 and here 0. So which one is the highest power? That is 2. So that is the degree of expression. That is the answer. Here exercise 3.3 is over. So children, practice well. I will see you again in next exercise. Thank you.